Bet if you use this one trading strategy will change your life forever. People are changing their lives as we speak. One of Dave's students bought a mansion in 3 months from a trading account that he had, and I gotta say this, he had nothing in the bank. All he had was the funded account and internet access. This is the house that he bought. You can also change your life with this trading strategy. First, you have to know market structure. When the market is in an uptrend, it forms higher lows and higher highs. And when we are in a downtrend, we can tell when price makes a lot of higher lows and lower lows. So we can use this to our advantage. This is what we are going to use: previous swing points, PDRAs, candlestick structure, and flip pattern. So this is what we call a swing. When a high is broken, we mark the previous high that's broken and the low that broke that same high. And we know price don't just shoot to the moon. After every swing, price should retrace to fill the void made when price shot up. So after marking our zone, we wait for a retracement to the 50% of the zone and take our trades there. So every time price makes a swing, we mark our zone and wait. Let me show you guys a downtrend example. When a high breaks a low, we mark our previous zone from the low to the high that breaks that same low and wait for a retracement to the 50% of the zone and take our trades there. Let me show you a real chart example. But first, let me show you this. When trading, you have to be on the right side of the market. 90% of SMC traders like to highlight old order blocks and expect them to hold. The trend on the left side is old, and on the right side is the trend you should be trading as it's trending. We have a break of a high that gave us our zone, so we highlight our zone and wait for a retracement to the 50% of the zone. We have a tap from the 50%. We enter our trades. Don't forget to pay yourself a 1-to-1 trade and leave runners. This is a bearish example. First, we identify a break of a low that gives us our previous zone. We highlight our zone and wait for a retracement to the 50% of the zone. Therefore, when we get our retracement to the 50%, we take our 1-to-1 trade and leave runners to take the low. This is another bearish example. We first see a break to the downside, which provides us with our zone. Then we mark our zone and the 50% of the zone and wait for a retracement to the 50% of the zone. When that happens, we take our 1-to-1 trade and leave runners to take the low, which resulted in a 1:3 trade. I'm going to give you guys one last example with a checklist to ensure you follow all steps required. Find a nice previous range. We see price breaking to the upside to give us our nice previous range. And the second step is to highlight your zone. We did that. Therefore, we wait for a retracement to 50% of the zone. Then we execute our 1:1 trade and leave runners to take the high. I hope this strategy works for you, as it is simple to follow and use. If you got value from this video, consider subscribing so we can reach a broader audience. Watch this video to improve your understanding of this strategy. Have a nice day.